I'm Elaine Gruen from ZooAmerica, and I'm the curator of education, and I am holding an eastern indigo snake. This snake is exhibited in our Southern Swamps building. The eastern indigo snake is our longest non-venomous snake in North America. Typically, they might be 5 to 7 feet, but there are some snakes that actually have reached lengths of over 8 feet long. They will eat rodents, so that means they'll eat mice, small rats, they might eat a bird, they might eat an egg, a frog, a toad, anything at all like that. They have no interest whatsoever in eating plants, seeds, or wildflowers. They only eat other animals. Snakes are reptiles, and reptiles are scaly animals. And contrary to popular opinion, they are not slimy, gooey, or icky. They are very, very dry. Their eyes are always open. They never close them, so they don't blink or wink. When they are sleeping, their eyes are wide open. Eastern indigo snakes had somewhat of a broader range at one time, but now their numbers are restricted to southern Georgia and parts of Florida. In 1978, the eastern indigo snake was listed as a threatened species. That means if certain conditions don't change, then they might eventually become an endangered species. 3 things have contributed to a reduction in their numbers: the loss of habitat, overcollection for the pet trade, and the decline in numbers of gopher tortoises. Animals out in nature depend on each other, and the indigo snake needs the gopher tortoise. The gopher tortoise is the animal that digs the burrow that the indigo snake then uses for shelter. Visit ZooAmerica and you can see both of these animals in the southern swamps, the eastern indigo snake as well as the gopher tortoise. Now, just like all snakes, this one is sticking out his tongue right now. And he does that not to sting or to spit or to breathe. He is doing that to smell or taste the air. When that tongue comes out, it's wet, and he can grab onto smells and odors that we can't detect, but he or she could. So when the tongue comes back into the mouth, messages are then sent to the snake's brain, and that tells the snake if there is something close by that it might be interested in eating. It might be able to tell if there are other eastern indigo snakes in the area, and it can also tell where the last burrow is that it had used.